Academically, I'd like to strengthen my technical skills in data management and predictive analytics and also apply them in the project-based assignments and also the data analytics practicum, where I also hope to leverage the university's strong ties with the industry. So personally, I see taking a master's as an opportunity for personal growth, and with NTU being such a diverse university, I'm really looking forward to meet and connect with students from different backgrounds. My advice to my future self would be to be resilient and to enjoy the process. I have a very positive impression of NTU. The campus itself is very large and it is much bigger than I had imagined. Also, I find the community to be very welcoming and supportive. NTU's campus has a unique blend of heritage and modern buildings. For instance, the Chinese Heritage Center and the Yunnan Garden embody NTU's rich history. In contrast, the Hive and the New Gaya, which houses Nanyang Business School, are modern green landmarks on campus. Excited. I'm really looking forward to advance my knowledge in business analytics and learn from the esteemed faculty members.